In today's demanding paper industry, rising energy costs and strict quality requirements put immense pressure on your production. Every percentage in efficiency counts directly to your bottom line. Here is Valmet Twister Hydrocyclone, excelling in hundreds of installations worldwide, from premium tissue producers to packaging board manufacturers, delivering proven results across all paper grades. The Valmet Twister can operate at over 2% consistency with superior cleaning performance. Its innovative design enables efficient separation, improving profitability and sustainability. At its heart is our mid-cone dilution technology. It re-energizes the stock, minimizing fiber thickening, resulting in higher end product quality and reduced operational disruptions. Valmet Hydrocyclones adapt to your needs. Our Clearline version offers optimal process visibility, bio-based materials ensure sustainability with equal performance, and the cost-efficient E-line provides reliable operation for standard processes. Each option is engineered for specific operating conditions while maintaining the same superior cleaning efficiency. The Twister's innovative design reduces energy consumption by up to 50%. In a typical 1,000 ton per day installation, this means annual savings of over 2 million kilowatt hours. Individual valves are available to allow safe maintenance during operation. Valmet Twister Hydrocyclone is also equipped with twin wall design to prevent process media exposure in case of inner cone failure. With lower reject rates and easy integration, the Twister optimizes your entire process. It can even outperform comparable barrier screening plants. The Valmet Twister Hydrocyclone delivers measurable results: higher consistency operation, 50% energy savings, improved safety, and reduced maintenance needs. All backed by Valmet's global service network and process expertise. This is not just an upgrade, it's a transformation of your cleaning process. Contact Valmet today to optimize your production.